Hello guys, good Saturday. How are you? I hope you're doing good. Today we are in the garden because we're going to pick up some fruits. Kasi dito magpo-fall na. So yung mga fruits namin like apples, nalalaglag na sa lupa. So what we are going to do right now is going to pick them up and make some Danish cake, apple cake, yung traditional. So please help me, come and join me, so mas mabilis yung trabaho natin at saka makagawa tayo ng cake para sa ating coffee. Here we go. Sally is ready. Tingnan nyo, there's a lot of apples. You have to pick them up. Kasi nahubulog na lang kasi ang dami oh. See? Okay? I have to pick up some of them, yung okay pa. And then I'll make Danish cake. Traditional Danish cake out of it. Okay guys? Kaya this one okay lang yan kasi balat na naman natin to. We have to peel them off. My goodness. And we don't need a lot of them, just few. Oh shit. Ooh. Goodness. So this is enough. Here the apple. Okay, there's more. My talented dog. Let's see. We have two different kinds of them. Oh, I've got a lot of them. Let's start the baking. The making and the baking. Now, huhugasan natin yung mga apple. Pagkatapos, we have to peel them off at pakukuluan natin. Ayan na guys, tapos na tayong magbalat ng mga mansanas. Then, hindi na natin kailangan lagyan ng water. No need to put some water on it. Just apple lang. Apple, sliced apple, okay? Kung tanungin nyo ako kung ilang apple ang dinalagay ko, it's up to you kung ilan. The more, the better. Okay? So, let's start. Hanggang mag-ano siya, pulverize the macaroni. Straight. Okay, a little dressing. Then cream afterward. I'm gonna put some cream on it as toppings. Lagay lahat. Pwede rin. Ubos na lang ito. No need to make. Dahil dalawa lang kami. Saka masisira naman ito. Para kung makain ka agad. So, kunti lang. Good for 2 persons. Ginawa ko this time. Okay. Tapos na ang cake ko. Lagyan na lang ng macarons. Yung powdered macarons. Para pwede na mag-finger. Mag-wash. Dapat mag-wash hands din, of course. Ayan. Tapos na. This is my Danish cake. So done.
You. This is really good. Good. Minsan nagiging para hindi naman malinis.
Ayun na ka. Tikman natin guys. Here. Tingnan natin kung ano ang tsura. Ayan. Okay.